In front of me is DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, you need to open your keyboard and click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then scroll and use those arrows facing down at the top right corners of all of those sections to see all of your choices available in theme settings. When you find the best one for you, this is my personal favorite, so I will go with this one. Click on it. Then manage key borders thanks to this switcher to switch them off or turn them on. And lastly, hit apply to save it. So when I do that, after a few seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. Now, if you ever want to get rid of this keyboard and go back to the default one, access the same section by tapping on the color palette, apply one of those defaults, and to get rid of your downloaded keyboard from My Themes section, only to clean it up, because you can always get it the same way as before, you can tap on it and use bin icon at the top right corner. Now, if you want to customize your theme, use plus icon under My Themes and tap on the photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Select done. Manage key borders and tap on apply. As you can see, this time theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. If you want to manage your custom theme, you can tap on it under My Themes. To edit it, tap on pen icon and make any changes you want to. Then hit apply. And to delete it, tap on bin button next to the pin on. Quick tip though, if you will delete it, you will have to remake it because it's not backed up. So be sure of your choice and then hit yes. After that, it will go back to the first default. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!